Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another pick a card reading which is going to be are they falling in love with you or not? So I have three piles here, pile blue, pile yellow and then pile green. Pick whichever pile you want to choose for your answer. Yeah, before I dive into the reading, like I always say, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading and let's find out are they falling in love with you or not? Let's start with pile one, the blue one. The lovers, five of swords. I feel like whoever you're asking about, they do have choices. Uh, if not, then they had, but now they are feeling pulled towards you. It's like yes, they have started feelings, feeling towards you. Um, it's like if given a choice to them, this time I don't know what they did in the past. I have no clue about it, but if given a choice, yes, they are going to choose you over somebody else. So definitely they are, they definitely have some sort of feelings for you. It's not love yet, but I feel like yes, the feelings are developing in them about you, for you. You are, I don't know, is it your words, is it your love, is it your way of dealing with them? There is something which is like winning their heart right now, and it's like with every passing day, their feelings are developing for you, which is like gonna mature to something solid, and which is going to become the love for them. But right now, yes, they have started feelings for you, started having feelings for you. It seems like this person could have been like I feel like this person, whoever you are asking about, I feel like they in the past, if I feel like for some of you, maybe you are coming with this person after for another cycle maybe, and it's they never took you this way before. I feel like it was more of that time where they always thought that if they have to be in a relationship, they would never choose a person like you to be in a relationship with. But now their mindset is changing towards towards this scenario. It's like now they are going to be considering you over any other person. It can be but I feel like for majority of you who have chosen this pile, I feel like you and this person have been together for quite some time. It is not your first cycle with this person, and if it is your first cycle with this person, I feel like there are very strong chances that it's you can make them fall in love if you um if you value yourself more than you value them, if this is your first time, and if you really want it to work, because if it is your first time, I don't think that this person is already in that situation where they are going to choose you, because they do have other options like I said earlier. But if it is like your second or third cycle with this person, yes, they're going to choose you. They have started having some feelings for you, which is not love yet, but yes, it is like developing, like it's a slow moving thing, but yes, it is happening, it's going in the right direction. But if it is somebody that you really recently met, or if it is somebody who you just started talking to, I feel like this person has a lot of other options too. So you will have to compete with those people to make this person feel something special for you, which you will only be able to have that special space in his heart or in her heart if and only if you value yourself more. If you put this person on pedestal, and if you value them more than you value yourself, you will lose the game. And until and unless you value yourself, this person is not going to choose you over other people that they might have in their life as a choice, as an option, available to them. Because I feel like, they might be somebody in demand, they might be somebody in, somebody who's good looking, who's earning well for them, who is independent, who is confident. But when it comes to you, I feel like, if it is your first cycle, you will have some sort of, fears to overcome before you could, have their love. Plus you will have to love yourself as well, and value yourself more than you value this person. And if that's you who does all what I mentioned just, then yes, this person is going to, choose you now as well. But if it's like, the feelings are not mature to love yet, but yes, they have started something, feeling something special for you, which is not love yet. Let me remind you again, it's not love yet, but yes, they have strong feelings developing for you for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the people who chose pile blue. Let's move on to the pile yellow. Let's see if your person is falling in love with you or not. Are they falling in love with you or not? Nine of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. They have love already. They it's just that they are having their guards up against you. They have love, they have strong feelings for you. It's just that this person is not going to express it. This person is not going to, tell you. This person is not going to do anything that is going to make you feel special until unless they are ready to take it to the next level. Your person, whoever it is that you are asking about, your person is pretty much somebody who is scared of either expressing love, or they are not ready, or they are not in that zone where they could commit. If um if and only if and when they will be able to, commit, when they will be able to take care of a relationship, they will choose you, they will express your, their love for you. But I feel like, till that time comes, which I feel like, with the Nine of Wands, it seems like, it's gonna happen quick. Not that quick, but maybe it's going to take 1 to 2 months time still, where where this person is going to, express their love for you. And that will be like, expressed in the form of some sort of commitment being offered. It's this person is going to take a step forward in this connection with you, if and only if, when they are, they feel that they have this much time to give into a relationship, they have time enough to invest into this connection, which they do already feel with you, but at the same time they are holding themselves back purposely. So there is strong love. There's like, it's not something which you should wait on to happen. They do have strong feelings and love for you already, but the time is not right yet. So it's like, you might have to wait for this person to express, you might have to wait for this person to, maybe commit to you. But the love is pretty much there already. So it's not that they don't love you, it's just that this is not the right time for this connection. So they are going to take their time to express. And but I feel like, when they do, it's going to be like, they do it with a with the best way possible, like maybe proposing you or something around those lines. So yeah, for some of you, maybe your person is kind of shy, and maybe they find it very hard to express their feelings as well. But yes, the love is pretty much already there. It's not like, it's not something that you should be waiting on to happen in future. It's already pretty much there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the people who chose pile yellow. Let's move on to the pile green. Let's see what is the answer for your question. Whoever it is that you're asking about, are they falling in love with you? Yes or no? Ten of Cups, Ten of Wands. I'm picking up two energies here. One, this person, whoever it is, I feel like, for majority of you who chose this path, I feel like, you and your person is somebody you might have recently met. It's like, you are going to rush into a connection, and then it's going to end quick. So I feel like, you and your person are going to fall in love with each other, which you both would realize later on that it wasn't love. Actually, maybe it was something more than, just it will be basically, to be very honest, it will be something maybe sexual. It might be something which is very short lived. I don't think this connection is going to last long, because I feel like, it's going to start off very quick, where you're going to feel like, okay, I think I'm in love with this person, they're going to feel the same for you. But then it's not going to last long, because you and this person is completely different in terms of the way you deal with relationships, the way you deal with the other person in a relationship. Maybe your way of expressing, your way of demanding in a relationship, it's completely different. Maybe they like or they believe in, quality time. Maybe you believe in quantity time. So there will be a lot of what we call it, um arguments, fights, and stuff like that in this connection, and it is not going to last long. So if you asking, are they falling in love with you? Yes, they are, but it's not going to last long, because it's like very momentarily kind of a connection. It's not going to last long. um Even though I feel like, it's going to start off with very beautiful energies, but I don't know, something is going to just end this connection very, as soon as it starts, it's going to just drop down to zero. It's like, it's going to make you feel like, you have met your soulmate, you have met your life partner, and then it's over. um it's like, I feel like, it's going to be that kind of energy where you are pretending to be somebody else and they are pretending to be somebody else, and then when you come back together, when you come together, it's like, you start, you start taking the mask off, and then you feel like, it's like too hard for you to keep up with the fake you, and the real them. It's going to be that kind of a thing where you're going to realize soon, and you're gonna, end this connection soon, and it's going to be a mutual ending. I don't think it's going to hurt anyone, because it's going to start very soon and very soon. So it's not going to leave any bad impact, but yes, it should make you learn a lesson, though, that you have to be you have to be your true self to find the love that you seek in your life. And I feel like, with this connection, it's like, it's also fake. I would love to have a baby with you, I would love to have this and that with you, and then when you don't know each other, it could be very well like, you met at some place, and then you had some fun time, and then you felt like, okay, fine, maybe I'm in love with this person, but in actuality it's not love. It's just like, the vibe that you have, that you share when you meet somebody new, and it's just that, it's like, and you're gonna start like, as if you're gonna take this connection to the next level maybe as well, but then you're gonna realize this is not what you want. So you're gonna end this connection. I don't see this connection last longer than maybe 1 to 2 weeks time. So after the love has happened, because I feel like, the love is going to be pretty much there, but it's not, it's like, it's not love. It's something that you're gonna feel like, it's love, but in actuality it's not. It's something else. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you guys for this reading. If the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.